today, y'all, in St. Louis for an event. So just walking to the grocery store. It's always an interesting part when I have to go get the food that I need because, you know, all grocery stores are different. So I rely a lot on Yelp in terms of making good decisions. What's good about this grocery store is it's like super close to my hotel, so I'll let you know what it's looking like. Guys, so I am in St. Louis for a cooking demo and talk with an organization called Operation Change. I just wanted to show you very quickly. I'm in the middle of cooking the sauce. This is the thing that takes the longest, about 40 minutes to make this. And then I've got my ground turkey. I just finished cooking my noodles, so I'll start assembling stuff and then packing stuff because we have to have food for people to eat. That was pepper. This is a little bit of sea salt. Olive oil is my oil of choice because it does have a health benefit. Even though it has a health benefit, we still don't want to go crazy with it though, okay? Alright. Smells good, right? All it is just like onions. So now I'm going to just add some of my sauce here. Turn this sauce.